Senator Blanche Lincoln is here today at St. Joseph's Mercy Hospital to take a tour of the facilities and give a press conference on healthcare reform.
In this crisis, if anyone knows the burden of our broken healthcare system, it is our hospitals. They are the ones that end up with so much of the brunt of what our out-of-date system has brought us to, and so they are a wonderful resource. Also, the information that they provide me in terms of how we can better do this in redesigning our healthcare system and moving it from an outdated system, a system that is focused on reimbursing simply for acute care or waiting until the crisis in healthcare happens to provide the resources to deal with it, instead of looking at chronic care management, looking at wellness and prevention, looking at the tools that we also have in our toolbox to make the quality of life for Americans better and begin to lower our cost in terms of health care. I've worked for the last 6 or 7 years with Senator Snowe from Maine to come up with a proposal. And what Olympia and I did was we put together a similar package for small businesses. And we said we're going to create a pool for small businesses all across the country so that your small business can share its risk and also benefit from the less risk that you may have and that others may have by pooling yourself with all the small businesses across the country.
We're very pleased to host Senator Lincoln today and her talk and efforts on healthcare reform. We're very excited about some of the things we heard today in terms of moving the country from a very fractured healthcare system to much more positive, working on prevention and demonstration projects that improve efficiency through hospitals and basically for the healthcare of our nation. And we are so supportive of her and her efforts and very thankful that she is standing up strong for the citizens of Arkansas.
And it was turned into a clinic over about 3 months every weekend. So this is another standard clinic room down here, 220 over 160, and over the space of 3-4 months, they cut down their salt intake.
Oh, is she really?
Oh, it was just good. She's as busy as she can be. She's been down at the Community Foundation.
And we were able to keep the records digitally too. So Carolyn's my
Senator Lincoln agreed to come and tour the facility to see what we were doing. She's found that we are helping as much as we can, and she's for 100%. She believes that all Americans need some form of health care. So therefore, she's trying to find a way in which we can all work together so that people can come out better. As long as we all come together as Americans, and we've got Senator Blanche Lincoln leading us in that health reform bill, then I'm sure that everything will be fine.